That's hit him hard. That's gone up in the air. There's an appeal for a catch. Yunus Khan, is he walking? Yes, India got the first one. In the air and... oh, ouch, good catch. Virat Kohli's having a night to remember. That's it. Caught behind by MS Dhoni.
They haven't picked all their best players on here, which is a real disappointment for a World Cup.
Oh, that's a digger.
That's going to be out.
In the air, Tagan just spoons it. Out.
Oh, there is a strong appeal on this occasion. And they get a happy reaction from the umpire.
That's gone in the air. That's gone down to the deep square leg fielder. And he's taken. So that's the wicket India wanted. Oh, that's a good delivery. That's pace and that's bounce.
Ireland back and he's gone. Caught behind, it certainly was a nick. And that's a big wicket.
Clips it away and he'll be out. Shami picks up one straight away. It's Hugh Yorkers out of the park. Well played.
Oh, that's out.
This could be out. This could be all out, yes. Edge, then good catch. It's Shikhar Dhawan.
We're around the wicket now. That's it. A Yorker. I keep saying he's got a very, very good Yorker. He doesn't bowl it as often as he should.
And it gets smashed into the outfield. It'll be taken though. It doesn't go enough.
That's in the
this
air.
could be dangerous. Shikhar Dhawan is getting under his second attempt. Oh, I think he's done all right. There was in fact a third attempt as well. They're celebrating, but this will go upstairs.
He knows they're standing on the back foot, so pitch it up. Once again on the back foot, and a good catch by the Indian captain. The short delivery working again, outside edge. And Dhoni doesn't make the mistake, he hardly drops any.
Oh, no. Hazrat.
Oh, he's hit that straight to the fielder, is it? Yes! And taken comfortably. Bowl. Bullseye from Mohammad Shami. First ball duck. And he's got 2 of 2. And he does! And that's a hat-trick. And it's a World Cup hat-trick. The second Indian bowler to do it. Remember Chetan Sharma in 1987 at Nagpur versus New Zealand. And he has Mohammad Shami today.
He pulls it this time. And it goes to mid-on. The pace does him at the end.
Oh, knocks him over. What a bowler this Mohammad Shami is. Shahab has just played a fabulous square drive. Now he's looking back and the stumps aren't looking like what they should be. Oh, taken. No, what's that gone off there? He's claiming it. He's claiming it.
Yeah, the ball has clearly came off the glove.
Well, that's been carved away, but straight to a fielder. It's gone high, and it's taken!
Could go all the way down there. It does, yeah. Up in the air. Shami says mine. And eventually he catches it. Important grab. Butler can hurt you in the last 3. Short ball again. This time must be out, surely. Yep. Good low catch. Oh, got him. There you go. The captaincy matches the statisticians.
Well, he's got one straight away. Little inside edge from Will Young and Shami. That is a magnificent welcome back for him. Down to long on this time. Shubman Gill takes the catch, finally.
Oh, clean-up job from Shami. Bang on the money with a Yorker from around the wicket. And another Yorker. And it's again the stumps going for a toss.
Gives himself room, and gone. You could see that coming. Stokes wasn't in survival mode. He swung and missed. No, dragged on. Shami on absolute fire here. What a spell this is. 5 in the last game, and he's on another hat-trick.
Oh, there's an edge, Mohammad Shami, the man with the golden arm. Just weigh him, it's 24 carat today. And there goes Mohammad Shami again. He owns this ground today. He comes running in and you think there's a wicket round the corner, and there always is.
Straight to the Jadeja. This is unbelievable by India. The demolition job continues. They have 6 and Sri Lanka have 14 on the board.
Attempted bouncer. Ball wide. Hang on. He saw today with Surya Kumar Yadav. Just a feather on the glove. They've gone for it.
Got a flat line. I've got a spike as the ball's on the glove, Chris.
Pitches it up. Gets it through. And Shami has another. That's a 5-bar for Mohammad Shami. He continues to pick up wickets in World Cup matches, setting a wonderful tone for his team and an excellent high standard.